Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning. I got my tea today. It's early, guys. It's early in the morning. But I wanted to bring you guys another video today. So on our last post, I asked you guys for 1,000 likes. Let's clap it up because we got 1,000 likes really quick. I was not expecting to get 1,000 likes on our last post so quick. So you know what? Let's go for another 1,000. Let's go for another 1,000 on this post right here. We have the maniac of the day. Shout out to Evelyn. She says, "Feel like an alien right now. Cannot believe it's my first time. Shame on me. Shame on me. I'm never missing out on any Mansa Mayne reactions ever." With a lot of exclamation marks and fire emojis. Shout out to you, Evelyn. I appreciate you checking out the channel. And I appreciate you, not missing any more of this lit content, because the content is definitely lit and the quality is definitely high. So if you are new, make sure you smash that sub button, because we're posting the most quality and lit content on YouTube right now for reaction videos. Oh, you're still there. All right. So today, guys, you guys have been requesting me to check out some of these adverts. Today we got chicken licking adverts. I have a few of them to check out today. But before we check them out, though, Maniacs, we are back again with another reaction video, guys. Let's get right into the video, man.
South Africa, a nation that's always been known to overcome adversity. But what exactly makes them such a soulful people? You could say it's because they always have an ace up their sleeve. And a plan to boot. No matter how tough things may seem, they find a way to keep going. But there's always that one guy, as the locals like to say, Uya Foster. They embrace the spirit of Ubuntu, which pertains, in essence, to one hand washing another. South Africa's so soulful, it's not uncommon for it to even inspire people beyond its borders.
It's not something. It's not.
Exactly. Take away the one thing they love most? No problem. They'll make their own. Bad news? They'll just find a reason to dance.
When people zoe.
So where does this great nation feed their soul?
That is definitely facts. Y'all will find anything to dance to. It doesn't matter. You take away anything, y'all will still dance. Y'all will still make up dances. You can take anything away, but you're not taking away the dance. You feel me? When people zoe.
During this time of need, there can only be one answer. Thank you. So when the going gets tough, Mazansi, remember those uplifting South African proverbs like, Siya Bangena.
But also, when people zoe, they put
Bro, that whole Zoe song is like, I love the beat. The beat on that is definitely fire. Like, it makes you want to move your hips for sure. For sure.
It's not a secret anymore.
Everyone's talking about Chicken Licken's Easy Bucks meal.
They're just so affordable.
With a choice of
4 delicious meals.
At such a low price.
There's 2 sliders?
Which is like an entire meal.
But it makes you look like a snack!
And for those times when you just sub a well hot wings.
2, 3.
4 hot wings or slider combination, damn it!
That one is top 2! Not number 2! What's that?
That's the hot wings and chips combination.
That really does the pots.
And now, imagine this song, a popcorn chicken!
Yes! Chicken that pops!
This meal is a taste capture and fire! Because honest, these meals are a steal!
No.
There we go again!
Bro, these commercials had this man get up out of his nap and in front of the TV, like, salivating, bro. Like, dude wanted this chicken, bro. Roommate came in with his chicken, bro. Bro, the exaggeration on these videos, though. Like, bro, y'all's chicken commercials are so much more lit than ours. Like, we just be having the most generic commercials. They'll come in and just show the food and tell you how much it is, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? But they don't get creative. They don't get this creative, bro. They don't like, bro. They don't go the extra mile like they're going in these videos to sell the chicken, bro. They just showing you the chicken, giving you the deals and new stuff. Like, bro, they not getting creative like this, bro. I like this. I like this a lot.
It's not a secret anymore. Everyone knows I can't have Chicken Licken's Easy Bucks meals.
And the hababuli.
Oh, this is the full thing. He clicked on this.
Tell me it's them.
There's 2 Russians.
Russians for an entire lockdown? Do we even have snacks? How long must I bowl hot wings? 1, 2, 3?
21 days lockdown, damn it!
But then...
Hey, bro. Wow. Bro, the chicken, hey. It gets serious. It must get really serious over it. Is the chicken that good, y'all? It can't be that good for them to be going this crazy. I know they over exaggerate for the commercial, but could the chicken really be that good though?
But then there are some leftovers from that combo. I hope you've really saved a lot. Do you know what I miss? Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken.
The chicken that pops.
These meals better last us 21 days. Because honestly, these meals I need.
Oh, bro. Yeah, they creative. Even during lockdown. Dang, these is the commercials during lockdown. Oh, we in outer space with it.
Copy that, Joget.
We are good to go. We have confirmed report that a second
Astronaut mission is being planned
by the South African Space Program.
I would characterize this as a crucial resupply mission.
The cargo in question
resupply mission.
Afronaut Rodwell Chabalala will pilot the mission.
No. Nothing in there.
Chabala.
When the cravings got you, bro. Imagine, bro. Imagine going all the way at outer space to send some food, and when you get there, there's no food. Imagine being the astronauts in outer space, anticipating that food, and when you open it, there's no food. Oh, I'd be sick, bro. I've seen space food before, and it don't look good. It come in pouches. It's like they sucking it through a straw or something. I don't know, bruh. It just, I'd definitely be upset if I was an astronaut and that happened to me, bruh.
Dad, I have something to tell you. I'm
Blessing has something to say, something real important, and it rhymes with.
No, they not. No, they not, bro. I know he's not going to say what I think he about to say. But, bro, y'all, bro. Why are y'all so, bro? Y'all something else, bro.
Blessing has something to say, something real important, and it rhymes with slay. Yeah, your son is
gay.
Guess Fadom.
That's harder than it looks.
Bro. Bro, wait wait a minute, bro. Like, what did this have to do with chicken at all? What did this have to do with chicken? This is what I'm talking about. Like, you would not see a commercial like this in the US. Like, they will throw the food at you as soon as the commercial come on. Like, there's no, I don't know. There's no entertainment on it. There's no entertainment behind our commercials until Super Bowl season. But this right here, bro, this would make me want to go to Chicken Lickens. I think this is this might be no, this is a Chicken Lickens commercial, but this would make me want to go, bro. Like, commercials like this is entertainment. This is entertainment.
Decline.
Oh.
Patricia way. Void.
Not.
When you're in line, the worst thing happens. Your card is declined. Italy boy, this you can't avoid. Girl, we got your back. Just pay us back.
Plastic.
Bruh. Like, why though? Why? Like, that has nothing to do with the chicken. I'm trying to figure out the whole advert. Like, what are they trying to accomplish if they're not advertising the chicken until the end of the video? Are they just trying to entertain? Like, I'm not gonna hold you, they got me, but I'm trying to figure out, how did they get me? How did they reel me in if they not showing me the chicken right away? Is it the entertainment aspect of the commercial? I don't know, bro. I think that's what it is. They're pretty smart, bro. What they're locking you into the commercial to make you stay to the end, and then you see, oh, this is a Chicken Lickens commercial. I want some Chicken Lickens now. I'm thinking, yeah, it's gotta be.
Oh. Child, don't like what you see. Sister, that stops here. Now listen to me. A woman got curves, and a woman got thighs. And baby girl, you be looking so fine.
Honey, leave the tag. That way, you can always bring it back.
No. Bro, black people, bro, we can't have nothing, bro. We can't, bro. Why are we like this? Why are we this way? Why are we this way, bro? This is comedy. Oh my gosh. They told her to keep the tag on. If y'all's friends ain't hyping you like that, you need to get better friends. Like, ladies, if y'all girlfriends ain't hyping you that way, you gotta find some more. You gotta find some more friends, because, like, bro.
Your personal best, honey, you killed it. Now you take the rest, yeah. 1 minute 16, you're the queen. Yeah, girl, you showed them. The queen of chlorine.
The queen of chlorine. Like, I was feeling it. Where did he come from, though?
What do my sister? My sister?
Julius, relax, Akomri.
La guerre ne saurait être une option. Cameroon for peace.
Stay for peace. Bu isyancı kuvvetler durmayacak. İsyana devam edecek. Turkey for peace.
There is no other solution. South Africa is for peace.
No! No, no! Queremos guerra! Agora!
Hold on though. Hold on. Why was all the missiles directed to the US though? Do people really hate the US like that? Bro, I ain't gonna let that slide past y'all. Why y'all just directing the missiles straight towards US?
Can I have peace?
Triple 01.
No.
Uhambe guy. Yeah.
No. She naked too.
Oh, sister. All right, man. You got idea, man. Try this.
Leave that thing, man. Try this. Bro, hey, bro. This man single-handedly saved the world with Chicken Licken's chicken. I'm guessing that's what they're trying to push here. But bro, these adverts are hilarious and creative, bro. Chicken Licken's soul food. I'm officially done with y'all. I'm done, bro. Like, we can't have nothing. I'm part of y'all now. We can't have nothing, bro. Like, this, when you give black folks something, this is what happens. This is what happens, bro. Here in the US, you would not see this type of entertainment. You would not see this type of entertainment in adverts unless it's, like I said, unless it's the Super Bowl. You feel me? Like, this right here is this is hilarious. This will make me go buy some Chicken Lick. Chicken Lick is lucky they not down the street because I'll be there right now. You feel me? Man, comment down below y'all's thoughts on these adverts, guys. We need to do some try not to laugh challenges, guys. Comment some try not to laugh challenge videos down below or other videos I need to check out. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Sub to the channel. On the road to 300K. So sub to the channel for more lit and quality reactions, guys. And yeah, man, just stay tuned for my next one, guys.